Okay, so check this out. Here's how you can create a number counter in After Effects. Once you've got yourself a new project, what we want to do first of all is we want to enable the action grid, and we want to get ourselves the text tool. You just want to left click on the screen, drag this out and get yourself a text box. And within the text box, we're just going to type in 0. We also want to align the text box with the grid and also drag this up to make sure it's touching the text. We can highlight the text and we can change the font, we can change the color and also the size, but the one that really matters is the paragraph at the top. We want to make sure that this is center aligned, because from here we can go to the first tool, we can press Ctrl Alt and Home, and we can center align the text box in the middle of the screen. Now, the reason why we've done it this way is because no matter the number that is in the text box, it will always auto align it to the center. Now, at the moment, we have a basic number, and in order to animate this, we need to search for a slider control in the effects and presets. You just want to drag and drop this onto your text layer, and we want to link these up by opening up the text, open up the text once again, and holding Alt or Option key, you can left click on the stopwatch and you just want to drag this up to the slider at the top. We can then left click off of this, and now you'll see that nothing is going to happen up until we start to play around with the slider control at the top. So let's say, for example, you wanted it to count from 0 all the way up to 500,000. You would simply left click on the stopwatch at the beginning, set to 0. You would go further out and then set this to 500,000 or any number that you want. And as you can see, this will now count from 0 all the way up to 500,000. However, it's also included the decimal places, which is something that we don't want it to do. And the easiest way to fix this is to go down in this video and copy and paste this expression right here. What this will do is it will basically remove the decimal places and replace it with a comma once you start to hit the thousands. The value to fixed will remove the decimal place, and this other code will tell it to add a comma. Now you're probably wondering, how exactly do I also add the views text at the end as well? All we need to do is click in between the bracket and the semicolon, and you just want to type in plus speech mark space views and then end the speech mark. When you left click off of this, this will now include the views as well, and you can see we have a nice views counter right here. Now the only problem with this is that sometimes if you have much large numbers, so let's say once it hits 500,000, you can see that the views is no longer visible. And the reason for this is because the font is simply too large for the text box. And we can fix this by going to the text tool. We just want to left click on the text, press Ctrl or Command and A, and then just simply reduce the font. If you wanted this animation to be quicker, you just want to open up the effects, open up the slider control, and just move the second keyframe closer to the first one, and this will speed it up. If you wanted it slower, you just move it further away, and this will slow it down. And if you wanted the opposite effect, you can swap these keyframes around, and this will make it count down from 500,000 down to 0. You can even add 1,000,000 if you want to, just by typing 1,000,000 in the text box. And as you can see, this will count down from 1,000,000 down to 0. And that's pretty much it. That is how you create a views counter in After Effects.